this machine is fixed. Because it was the ice boat. Okay, now it's gonna be working.
This is because there is storm reach. Now this is the desert storm. Quickly use ice. Everyone's getting mixing. I don't know what to choose. It's whether it is.
Now the ice boat is coming. Which day do you want? Hot or cool?
Or warm. Just rain.
Just rain? Okay.
Just mixed rain.
Okay, hot day, rain.
It's the mixed rain.
Cool day and rain are gonna mix up.
Yes. Now it's feeling good.
Now the machine is off.
Now it's feeling good. Hey, why is the weather doing like that? It isn't mixed now. Just keep using rain. For 1,000 days. Just use the rain for 1,000 days.
Okay, now it's going to be big faster.
1,000 days when one guy was alive. Why am I alone? Everyone just died. Everyone just broke their parts.
The machine ran out of battery.
Even the guys died for 1,000 days when the machine was still working. It took 1,000 days.
Okay, now this cool day with the weather is gonna be near.
That guy just fell. That guy is very old, so that's why he died alone. But other guys are just adults. They're not teens anymore.
But this little doctor guy is gonna steal that evil guy. Now he's taken into the jail.
No, he's dead.
But he put them in the dirt, so he's dead.
Don't steal us. It's a protective house.
Now here comes the thief. But he got a key to open it. To find where's the door. Where's the door? I can't find it. Here it is. Yeah, break inside. The thief take you.
I'm going to destroy this house.
My hand.
Everything's destroyed. This guy is still running. These two guys are still running for their life.
Oh, where? I'm awake. Where am I?
No, that old guy that only just died. So he will stay here. And the